AI, your gateway to financial independence. Do you know, with the help of AI, you can earn millions? With the help of AI, you can do more wonders in any field. Welcome, aspiring wealth builders, to the AI Wealth Creator, your go-to channel for unlocking the secrets of financial independence through the power of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, and today, we're diving into a comprehensive exploration of how AI can be your strategic ally on the road to financial freedom. From optimizing costs to building passive income portfolios, we've got your guide to leveraging AI for lasting financial success. If you're ready to embark on this transformative journey, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. In an age where technology is the driving force behind innovation, artificial intelligence, AI, stands out as the game changer, not just in revolutionizing industries, but also in unlocking pathways to financial independence. This guide explores how AI can be your strategic ally on the road to financial freedom. 1. Understanding the power of AI. AI, with its ability to analyze vast datasets, learn patterns, and make data-driven decisions, is transforming the way we work and live. Understand the fundamental capabilities of AI, from machine learning algorithms to predictive analytics, as this knowledge will be the cornerstone of your journey to financial independence. 2. Capitalizing on investment opportunities. AI plays a pivotal role in the financial markets, providing sophisticated tools for analysis and prediction. Explore AI-driven investment platforms and algorithms that can help you make informed decisions in stock trading, cryptocurrency, and other financial instruments. By leveraging AI, you can optimize your investment strategy and potentially increase your returns. 3. AI in entrepreneurship. For aspiring entrepreneurs, AI offers a plethora of opportunities. Explore how incorporating AI into your business model can enhance efficiency, customer engagement, and decision-making. From chatbots and virtual assistants to predictive analytics for market trends, AI can be the driving force behind your entrepreneurial success. 4. Automated income streams with AI. Discover AI-powered platforms that enable automated income streams. Whether through algorithmic trading, affiliate marketing, or content creation, AI can be harnessed to create passive income. Explore the possibilities of AI-driven tools that allow you to generate revenue while focusing on other aspects of your financial journey. 5. AI-powered financial planning. Achieving financial independence requires strategic planning. AI-driven financial planning tools analyze your spending habits, savings, and investment patterns to provide personalized plans. These tools offer insights, helping you make informed decisions about budgeting, debt management, and wealth accumulation. 6. AI and skill enhancement. Invest in acquiring AI-related skills that are in high demand. As AI continues to reshape industries, being proficient in AI development, machine learning, and data science positions you as a valuable asset in the job market. This, in turn, opens doors to high-paying opportunities, accelerating your path to financial independence. 7. Side hustles and gig economy with AI. Explore AI-enhanced opportunities in the gig economy. From freelancing platforms that use AI matching algorithms to connect you with clients to utilizing AI tools for creative projects, there are numerous avenues to boost your income. AI can be the catalyst for turning your passion projects into lucrative side hustles. 8. AI for cost optimization. Achieving financial independence also involves smart financial management. AI can assist in optimizing costs by analyzing your spending patterns, identifying areas for potential savings, and suggesting budget adjustments. Whether in personal finances or business operations, AI's ability to provide real-time insights can be a valuable asset in minimizing unnecessary expenses. 9. AI in real estate investments. Explore how AI is reshaping the landscape of real estate investments. AI-driven tools analyze market trends, property values, and potential returns, assisting you in making informed decisions in real estate. Whether you're considering property investment or looking to optimize your real estate portfolio, AI can be a key factor in maximizing returns. 10. AI-enhanced education for financial literacy. Financial independence begins with knowledge. AI-powered educational platforms can provide personalized learning experiences tailored to enhance your financial literacy. From budgeting basics to advanced investment strategies, these platforms leverage AI to create adaptive learning paths, ensuring you acquire the knowledge needed to make sound financial decisions. 11. AI-based risk management. Mitigating risks is crucial on the path to financial independence. AI excels in risk assessment and management, whether it's evaluating investment risks or assessing the viability of business ventures. Utilize AI-powered tools to identify potential risks, develop contingency plans, and make calculated decisions that safeguard your financial stability. 12. AI and remote work opportunities. The rise of remote work is a significant trend, and AI plays a role in facilitating this transition. Explore AI-powered platforms that connect freelancers with remote job opportunities, providing flexibility and autonomy in your work life. AI can streamline project matching, making it easier to find remote gigs that align with your skills and financial goals. 13. Building passive income portfolios with AI. Take advantage of AI-driven strategies to build diverse passive income portfolios. From robo-advisors optimizing your investment portfolio to AI-powered content creation for passive income streams, strategically incorporating AI into your financial ventures can create a sustainable path to passive income and long-term financial independence. In a world driven by data, AI emerges as your gateway to financial independence. Whether you're an investor, entrepreneur, or someone looking to enhance their skills, AI offers a multitude of avenues to explore. By understanding its potential, capitalizing on investment opportunities, incorporating AI into your entrepreneurial ventures, and leveraging AI for automated income streams, you can chart a course towards financial freedom. Embrace the power of AI, and let it be your ally in the pursuit of a financially independent future. As we wrap up this insightful journey into the intersection of AI and financial independence, I hope you've gained valuable insights that will shape your path to wealth. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow financial enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more cooperations to the AI Wealth Creator. Remember, the future is AI-driven, and your possibilities for financial success are limitless. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, stay curious, stay strategic, and keep building your wealth with the power of AI.